how to turn off last seen on Microsoft Teams. So if you want to turn off last seen on Microsoft Teams, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Teams application. After opening your Teams, make sure that you've logged into your account. After you've done that, you need to tap on your profile, which will be in the top left. From your profile, you'll see different options. On the top, you'll have the status. You need to just simply tap on the status, which will be right here and below your name. As you can see, currently I am away, which means I'm not offline. What you can do is just tap on up here offline. And what this does is even if you're using your account or the app, you will appear offline. You won't be seen as online. And features such as last seen and stuff like that won't be applicable to you. You can browse through without having to worry about your status. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.